How to cancel your Super Duolingo subscription. Here's a simple methods and just a few simple steps. First, open Duolingo app. Then sign into the account with the active Super Duolingo subscription. Once you're signed in, tap the three dots in bottom right corner. Now tap Profile, then tap the Settings icon. Next, select Subscription to view your current Super Duolingo plan. If you have an active subscription, you'll see the Cancel Subscription option. Tap on it. Now choose a reason for canceling, tap Continue, and then tap Cancel Subscription again to confirm. Once the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation message that your Super Duolingo subscription has been canceled. That's it. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period, and you won't be charged again unless you subscribe in the future. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.